The life of a boy and a girl's friendship can be of various types. The main content is to trust the one who supports, and who is well liked, and life is beautiful on the path. Makes. It is a genuine deep relationship, where gender is a secondary issue. Some facts and examples of friendship: mutual support. Good friends help each other to overcome difficulties and to achieve goals. It can be financial. Any other help. Trust and trust. A good friend trusts and trusts. A friend is a student and still loves you. Freedom and open discussion. Friends can talk their hearts out in front, where there is no hiding or hypocrisy. This freedom increases the depth of the relationship. Loyalty and loyalty. Good friends are loyal to the natural past. They do not reveal the secrets of each other and offer to reveal. Dreaming, thinking about life well. Sharing friends and learning new things from the other side. A plan life. Suman and Ria were good friends in their childhood neighborhood. They studied in the same school, and their friendship was the best part of their school life. When you came, the stress and pressure started between them, then the main support was to overcome. When Suman faced any problem, Ria would console him and show him the way to the solution. In my mind, when Ria faced any difficult situation, Suman would give and stay, warn him to take it properly. Once Suman faced a big business problem, his mind opened up. Then Ria stayed with him and helped him stay up at night. Similarly, when Ria got a job of her choice but could move away from her family, Suman made her see that this was a wonderful opportunity in her life. This friendship of theirs is not only a wonderful story to get through the good times but also the difficult times of life. They seem much bigger. Conclusion: good friendship between a boy and a girl is possible, and this relationship is a very big achievement in life. Time spent with a good friend makes life a festival of joy and makes difficult times easier.